Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Google account and two-step authentication state. This matters because Drive access is account-specific. Once done, copy the file ID or the full shared link. Mismatched ID cause 404s. Next, open an incognito window or a fresh browser profile and clear cookies if needed. This isolates cached permission errors. Do this now so you remove client-side blocks and ensure the server response you see is current, not a stale or redirected result. You now validate the link structure and permissions. Paste the ID into a canonical drive path drive. Google.com/drive/folders or /file/d/id/view so you get a direct server response. Then check sharing. If the file is restricted to specific users, a 404 is expected for others. Changing to anyone with link fixes that. If you see removal, open Drive activity, and the trash. Owners often restore files within 30 days, so make sure to finish by restoring or requesting access. If you're the owner, restore from trash or Drive activity. Make sure the file is in My Drive or a shared drive with proper permissions, because folders moved to trash or removed produce 404s. If you are not the owner, request access and include the exact file ID and timestamp. When that fails, escalate to Google support or your workspace admin. Provide the ID, screenshots, and error text so they can trace server-side deletions or retention holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.